In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger floating video call not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger, tap on Messenger, tap on force stop, then OK, then tap on storage and cache, clear cache, go back, then tap on permission. Make sure you allow all permission. Then scroll down, then find out picture in picture, tap on it. Now allow picture in picture. Now go back. Now open your Messenger app. Now call someone. Now minimize. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger floating video call not working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.